Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing why you don't need to buy followers at early stage as a content creator, right? But firstly, before we start, you're welcome to Growbetanet. On this channel we teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Mazmini and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime we post amazing videos like this one you're watching at the moment, you will get a notification and be among the first people to watch the video, right? So many people will say something like this, that why they buy followers is that they want people to feel that they are already doing well. That anytime they come to their page, they see that they have like a certain amount of followers, like 10,000, 20,000 followers, it will convince those people that they are already doing well. I'm not really condemning people's opinion, they might be right, but to me, I feel like what they are doing is not really that 100% right. The only people I can actually advise to buy followers at early stage is people who their page is all about business, that they make sales on their page, right? When you have a large followers, people can easily believe your business and buy something from you because they believe that anything that makes you have that amount of followers, that people are already there patronizing your business. And when it comes to business page, people that make sales on their page and content creators is a different thing, right? Content creators are meant to create content constantly, some cases every day. But business people, they can actually make a post today concerning their business and they might not make a post like 1 week. And another thing you need to understand is that business people don't really depend on the engagement coming from their post, the post they are making. They mostly depend on adverts because they run adverts every time. And you as a content creator, you don't need adverts actually. Like you don't need to run ad. Most people come to me and be like, should I start promoting my post, right? And I do advise them not to promote their post, that they should allow their page to grow organically so that they build family instead of followers. One thing you need to understand is that when you keep boosting your post, anytime you stop boosting your post, you stop getting that kind of amount of views. That's why it's important that you grow your audience organically. Even if you make a post and you get 1 view, don't worry. Tomorrow, make another one, you get 2 views, and you see that you start growing small, small. That's the thing that I actually advise people to do instead of boosting. Even if you're monetized and you run ad on your post, you are not actually going to be making money from those views that is coming from the ad, right? And even though you are making money actually from the views that is coming from the ad, there is no way you will spend 10,000 naira to run ad that you will actually make back 10,000 naira from the revenue. So it's not possible. So that's why it's very, very important that you learn how to build your audience from scratch as a beginner. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 4 different reasons why you shouldn't buy followers as a beginner. I'm not really against people buying followers. You can actually choose to buy followers, but as a beginner, it's not a good thing for you. I have a website called Growbetanet where people buy followers, likes, comments, shares, and other social media services, right? It's not that I don't like my business or I'm spoiling my own business, right? I'm not really spoiling my business, but it's not always all about money. What I have here is family, and I will always come here and share the right thing with you guys. I don't even care whether it affects my own business, but the fact that you learn from it, that's the most important thing. All right. So I'll be diving into the 4 reasons why you don't need to buy followers as a beginner. Number one is that it kills your credibility, right? For instance, if you are going through Instagram and you come across a page and immediately you enter the page, you see 10,000 followers, and you go through the post and you see 10,000 followers with 2 likes, 3 likes, what comes to your mind is that, this guy bought followers. Anything that makes people feel like you bought followers, they hardly believe you. Brand cannot actually give you adverts if they sense that you bought your followers, because they believe that those followers are not active, right? That they are bots. Most times they believe that. So you're now trying to buy likes, comments, views, and shares to fit in with the amount of followers you have. This will actually lead you to number 2 reason why you don't need to buy followers at early stage, right? With number 2 is unnecessary expenses. This actually makes you to spend unnecessarily, because anytime you make a post, you would like to buy likes, you like to buy comments, you like to buy shares most times. And as a content creator, you are supposed to be posting constantly, most times every day. So if you make a post every day and you buy likes, buy comment, and you keep doing it, how long are you going to be doing this thing? If you do this thing for 1 year, you will see that at the end of the day, you might have spent up to 500,000, 300,000, 700,000 on buying likes, comment, and shares on your page. The money you're supposed to be using to shoot more content, the money you're supposed to be using to buy your gadgets, buy a lot of things that you need to work. The money you're supposed to be using for TFA to go and shoot content, you're using it to buy likes and comments. So that's why it's very, very important that you build your audience so that you don't need to go through all this stress trying to prove to people that your followers is corresponding with the likes and the views you're making. All right. So this is a very, very, very important reason. So the next reason is that it decreases your visibility. So when you have 10,000 followers and you make a post and after 20 minutes you still have one like, you still have like three views, this actually discourage algorithm to push your post because algorithm believe that anything that made up to 80% of your 10,000 followers not to be interested in your content, that there is no need pushing it out to other people to watch because they might also not be interested in that content. And because of that, algorithm will lose interest in pushing your content. And without algorithm pushing your content to people to view, you will not be getting views. That's the reason why when you buy 10,000 followers, you will see yourself having one like, two like, three likes, and all those things, because algorithm actually doesn't push your content because it feels like people are not interested in your content, and that's the reason why your followers are not actually viewing this thing. Some people actually come to me and be like, Maximilian, I want to buy real Nigerian followers. Are they going to like my post? Are they going to comment on my post? Actually, like this question, I don't really have answer to it. What I really tell them is that it depends on your post, the kind of post you make. Because number one is that those people that are actually coming to follow you, no, they don't know you. They are following you because either they are being paid or they are asked to follow you for a certain reason, right? So when they come to your page, they might not have interest in your content. So if by luck the kind of content you're making is the kind of thing they like, at least few people from them might actually try to drop a like after watching your video because maybe because they like the content, right? But so many of them will be seeing your content and be scrolling because they don't actually know you. Some of them will be like, when did I even follow this guy? And they will unfollow. And that's the reason why you see that when you buy followers, most especially Nigerian followers, you see that it will start dropping to sometimes 50%, because most of them don't actually know when they follow you, they don't remember anymore. And most of them actually, when they follow you from those platforms they are following you from, instantly they will unfollow you because they have gained the money that they are being offered to follow you. So that's the reason why it's very, very important you build your audience, because when you build your audience, you will see your visibility will keep increasing by day, and that's the best way. So number four reason why you don't need to buy followers at early stage is that you might risk not being monetized. Right? Some people actually they open a page today and they come to me and be like, please sir, I want to buy 5,000 followers and 60,000 watch minutes for Facebook so that I can actually get monetized and start making posts. Some feel like okay, they want their page to be monetized first before they start making posts, which is wrong. Actually, you need to, when you open a page, at least try grow people, try post, try and get audience. Things are not really about money. When these people come to me, I will actually tell them, okay, send me your link. So when you send me your link and I see that you're just making like one like, two like, I will tell you, Oga, you need to go and work on your page. This is not actually what you need right now. It's not that I cannot buy 5,000 followers or 60,000 watch minutes for the person, but the reason why I avoid all this is that there is 70% possibility that when you buy all those things, Facebook will not approve that person, because when you buy this thing, Facebook are going to be doing a review on that page. And Facebook, they are doing business. Actually, what they do when you get monetized is that they run ad on your videos, and people they actually run ad on their videos are people who are already having a lot of, who have people viewing their videos. So you cannot run ad on a video that has five people on it. So being business minded, you too, you know that is very, very wrong. Facebook might not monetize your page. So once they go through your page and see that you are not making views, you are not, the page is just back out like that, you only have one particular post that gave you 60,000 watch minutes. Like when they look at it, they will say, this one I don't know. They will tell you, unfortunately, your page doesn't have enough content to be able to be monetized. So most people actually get this thing because instead of them building their audience, instead of them creating content, building people organically, the first thing they did is that they just went and bought followers and bought watch minutes just to get monetized and start making money. Even if Facebook actually monetizes you, are not still going to be making that big money that you're expecting that you're going to be making, because your views will still be poor. you are still going to be having poor views. Sometimes I used to make 1,000 views on a post and still I have not make up to 2 cents. It's possible depending on your niche. So for you to make that kind of money other influencers are making, you need to build organic people that can actually view your videos without you running ads or forcing people to watch your video, right? The best way to do this is to look for successful creators that are doing the same thing you're doing. Go to their page and watch their videos to find out what they are doing that you're not actually doing, then learn from it. All you need to do is to try as much as possible to upgrade every day. Create high quality videos, choose a niche, and make sure you're consistent. The more you keep posting, the more you keep growing, and before you know it, you won't even know when your videos will start going viral. And also, if you want to make money on Facebook and you don't know how to go about it, I have a course that will help you make money with other people's video. So this course, I titled it How to Make Money with Other People's Video. This course is going to be teaching you the right way to edit reaction videos, either by showing your face or you can also decide not to show your face. Everything is in this course. And the course will also teach you how to choose your niche, understand your niche, and how to understand monetization to avoid copyright, and finally how to edit your videos the right way. If you're interested and you want to buy this course, all you need to do is to click on the WhatsApp number in the screen or the WhatsApp number in the description. Chat me up and I'll tell you what to do to get this particular course. So guys, this is where I'll be bringing this video to an end. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button, comment on this video. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you for sharing, and you can also do me a favor by sharing this video so that other people will watch it and learn from it as well. I really like the way you guys show me love. The love you guys show me is amazing and I don't take it for granted. I appreciate you all for watching my video always from beginning to the end. So thank you for watching this one and remain blessed.